Hey everyone, so I've pulled a card for you all out there today, and today I asked, what do you need to do to be more self-loving toward yourself? And as I was shuffling the cards, this card actually popped out without me having to actually pick it out. It actually fell out of the deck. And so the Two of Wands came through, interestingly enough, and yeah, it's quite interesting, the messages that have come through about this. And it's all about trusting yourself more. You're all up in your head and all you're doing is thinking, and you're not trusting yourself enough. And so it's like, to be more self-loving towards yourself, you've got to actually listen to your intuition and trust your gut more, and not push it to the side and say, no, yeah, but what about, oh no, like, oh, I don't know about that, this, that, the other, whatever you've got going on in your head. It's about tuning into your body. So you can tune into your body by putting your hand on your heart and listening to what it has to say. Listening to that, because, you listen clairaudiently to that voice in your head that gives you the intuitive insights. And don't push it away, because when you push it away, you're not being self-loving towards yourself, right? And love is one of the highest vibrational frequencies we can ever experience. There's two things we experience in life. It's fear or love. And that's why I feel like I've been guided to pull a card about this today, so that you can do these things to be more self-loving and therefore connect with the vibration and energy of love more and be more loving towards yourself, right? So yeah, what you need to do to be more loving towards yourself is listen to yourself. Stop pushing yourself away and saying, oh no, you shouldn't think this, oh no, you might not be right about that. What about if you actually bet on yourself and trusted yourself and trusted these messages that are continuously coming through for you, and got out of your head and stopped overthinking everything and actually connected in to your body? Your body has so much wisdom, because your body is your subconscious mind. It is the connection to the universal energy, to the God, to the universe, whatever you want to call it. So it's about connecting into that and getting out of your head, and into the body and feeling into, what am I feeling about this situation or this decision? What is my body trying to tell me? And then just trust it. Let it come through. Stop telling yourself that it's not true what's coming through, and not believing yourself. Because the more you can embrace, believe, and love yourself, the more you can go forward in life confident in yourself and more self-loving towards yourself. See yourself as a child. What would you say to a child that was coming through with messages for you? Would you tell it to shut up and go away? Or would you say, I'm listening. What have you got to tell me? That's how you have to treat yourself. Listen to your intuition. Your gut knows what's right for you, and it's about time you start trusting it, and that will connect you more with being more self-loving. Alrighty, let me know if this has resonated with you. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments. Make sure you like it so I know to bring more of these readings to you. Subscribe, hit the bell notification so you're notified when I do more readings and videos, and I'll catch you all soon. Bye.